everyone, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 54 for May 29th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Some awesome AI developments today, and we're going to make all of it make sense. Let's get into it. So imagine texting a friend who actually remembers every single thing you said 5 minutes ago and responds in the same casual tone. That is exactly what Sesame just brought to your iPhone with their new free app. Instead of typing stiff commands and getting robotic replies, you speak naturally and the AI keeps the whole conversation flowing like a real back and forth chat. Think of it like the difference between sending a formal email and leaving quick voice notes with someone who listens and stays on topic. The AI holds onto a short conversation history the same way you remember the last few messages in a group chat, so it does not reset after every single line. This matters because most of us already live on our phones, chatting with friends or scrolling feeds. An AI that joins that same natural flow could help explain homework, brainstorm story ideas, or practice a new language without feeling awkward. For students thinking about future careers, it shows AI moving from a search engine that talks towards something more like a helpful companion you carry everywhere. You can download the Sesame app straight from the App Store and start talking right away. Try asking it to explain a school topic in a fun way or brainstorm a creative project, and notice how the replies stay on track even when you switch subjects. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive, where we look under the hood. You know how your phone sometimes guesses the next word while you're texting? Now picture that same autocomplete remembering everything you have said in the last few minutes and using that memory to build a whole helpful reply instead of just one word. The AI first listens to your voice or text and breaks it into small chunks it understands. It then checks the conversation history it has been keeping, like flipping back through recent messages in a group chat. Finally, it puts together an answer that feels connected to what came before, instead of treating every message like a brand new question. When the system gets good at these 3 steps, replies stop feeling like random guesses and start feeling like talking with someone who knows the whole story so far. And that is basically how a conversational AI agent holds a natural back and forth instead of resetting after every line. Not so scary, right? Next up, something cool you can try right now if you like design or school projects. Adobe built a conversational AI helper that lives inside its design tools and takes simple, spoken, or typed instructions to create or tweak images. It keeps the conversation going so you can say, make the background warmer or add more space on the left, and it remembers what you already made. Think of it like having a patient intern sitting next to you who never gets tired of small changes. Go to Adobe's Firefly website or open the tool inside Photoshop. Type a short description of something you want to design, then follow up with one change at a time. You may need a free Adobe account to try the full chat version, but the experiment is free to start. Here's another one that turns your iPhone into a private AI playground. A new guide shows how to install a small AI model that runs completely offline on your phone, so nothing leaves the device. It is like keeping a private notebook that never sends pages to the cloud. This keeps conversations private and works even when you have no signal. Open the Engadget article on your phone, follow the simple steps using free apps already in the App Store, and within minutes you can ask the local chatbot to write a short story or quiz you on vocabulary. One more quick experiment that shows how far a regular chat can take you. A Reddit user used Claude to plan an entire apartment renovation, from choosing styles to calculating exact measurements, so contractors got clear instructions. The AI helped keep colors and shapes consistent across rooms, like having a second set of eyes that remembers every detail you mentioned. Open Claude.ai on your phone or laptop, describe a space you want to improve, even if it is just your desk setup, and ask for layout or color suggestions while you reply with what you like or do not like. In Quick Bits, scientists built a robot shaped like a sea urchin that uses 20 flexible legs to grip walls and move through trees. The design could help future robots explore places that wheels or normal legs cannot reach. Meanwhile, Waymo is bringing a new pale blue self-driving car called Ojai to roads in California and Arizona. Regular passengers will soon ride in vehicles that navigate cities without a human driver behind the wheel. And that's a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, huh, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.